What's up guys, Track Palmer here. In this video, I will be replacing the side mirror on this 2007 Honda Civic. The process will be similar for many other motor vehicles. The process involves removing the side cover and removing 3 screws that hold in the side mirror. It is as simple as that. I accidentally hit a road sign and it broke my mirror. They were doing construction and the road was very narrow. But I picked up a used mirror at a junkyard and it is very affordable. This cost me $20 and I think it's worth it. The original is white, but mine is black. And I think the black will blend in very well. Let's start the process. I will need to take off the inside door cover. The tools needed is a flat screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. I will be using this socket on this impact driver. Just makes the job goes faster. You will also need a pry tool. Use the flat screwdriver and remove this plastic cover that's hiding a screw right here. Now use the Phillips screwdriver and remove that screw. The screw is out. Use a pry tool and release the clips that hold in this window control unit. This can be a bit difficult to remove. You will have to use some elbow grease. Now the clips have been released. Now there's one screw here that needs to be removed. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove this. I can remove the window control unit, but I won't. I do not need to remove it for this job. What I need to do now is to pull the cover off the door. It is held in place by some clips. You can use the clip removal tool to assist you with this. Just hold right here and start with a quick tug, then work your way around. Now there's a clip to be removed. I should have removed it before I started removing the cover. This clip won't be reusable. Just use the Phillips screwdriver and push it in, then you can remove the clip. Now the cover can be removed. Now to remove the cover, you need to push upwards instead of pulling. Now this wire harness is for the side mirror. I will need to disconnect this. Now I need to remove this weather plastic cover. This helps to prevent water from going inside the door. Remove this clip right here and gently pull the plastic away. Now I need to remove this plug from here as well. Now there are 3 10mm nuts holding the mirror in place. I will need to remove them. The first one is here. The second one is right here. That one fell inside the door. The third nut is right here. To prevent this one from falling, I will use this magnetic tool right here. Now I need to remove this wire harness here. There are some clips holding it in place. I will have to pull back this plastic cover a little bit more, then release this clip. I have released the clip. Now I can remove the mirror. Now I can pull the mirror off. Now the mirror is off. It's time to install the new mirror. Feed the electrical wires through this opening and align the 3 studs. This is a perfect fit. Now I need to reach in for the electrical wires and secure the clip through that hole. Now I will feed the wire through here and plug it in. Now I will reinstall the 3 10mm nuts. To prevent this nut from falling, I will use a piece of paper in the socket to hold it in place. I will use my left hand to hold the mirror so that it doesn't fall. First nut is on. Now I can install the second nut. The second nut is on. Now I will try again to remove that 10mm nut. Here it is. Now I will install the final nut. Now I can tighten these nuts, but not too tight. No more than 12 to 15 foot-pounds. Now I can put this plastic cover back in place. This adhesive should still hold it. Reinstall these two plugs. I just need to reinstall the door cover. To install the cover, start with pushing it down on the top edge right here. Now I will push the side and the bottom of the door cover. There are some clips that will hold this in place. This cover is now secured. There are two Phillips screws that I need to reinstall. I'm installing the first one right now, but it is out of the camera view. This is the second screw. Now I can reinstall the window control unit. Just push it in place. The clips will hold it. Now the clip that I removed from here, it is optional to reinstall a clip here. Now I will reinstall this cover, which is also out of the camera view. I noticed that this door control unit is not fully pushed down. I will do that later. I'll test the mirror to see if it's working. You can see there that the mirror is working, so I will be able to adjust the mirror. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. See you on the next one, guys.